Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your desktop and open File Explorer. In the left-hand panel, find and right-click on OneDrive. From the menu, select Settings. Once the OneDrive Settings window opens, go to the Account tab. Click on Unlink this PC. This stops OneDrive from syncing files with your computer. After unlinking, close the window and click on the Windows icon. In the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs and open it. This will take you to the list of installed apps on your computer. Scroll through the list and find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you find it, click on the three vertical dots next to it and select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm the action, and Windows will begin uninstalling OneDrive from your system. This process completely removes OneDrive from your device, preventing it from syncing or appearing in File Explorer. So that's basically how you can remove OneDrive from Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.